Hey guys, so like you can tell that my setup is different, obviously, and I'm not in my room. I'm at, oh, here's the TV. Oh, whoa. I'm actually in the living room, which is a mess because of the 4-year-old child that's here. She's over there. Reen, say hi. Yeah. So, okay, brightness. Can you cooperate? Okay. I like this brightness because like it just takes away my whole face. So plans didn't really come out today for going down to Kylie's house to hang out. And that's because I have to watch Rain until her mom gets back.
So I can tell him we're going to see 4th of July at the fireworks. We're going to see 4th of July at the fireworks.
We're gonna go see fireworks. That's basically what she's saying. But I really wanted to see Kylie today. I mean, I could when her mom gets back, which is my sister. But she'll probably be gone by then. Okay, this brightness is really messing with me. So I have to wait, but she always tells me like, oh, that she's leaving. So there we have that. Hey guys, so right now it is like, I think it's like almost 7 o'clock, and I have new updates for you guys because I couldn't go to Kylie's today because I was babysitting, but you know.
Wendy's right now. It's really good.
After I eat, I'm going to fireworks, and I really want Kylie to come with me, but she hasn't responded to my text yet, but I really want her to come. So, guess you'll find out in this video if she does end up coming or not, but this is just gonna be a weird video of fireworks and stuff. So I'm pretty much done getting ready. Oh my gosh, you can see my sunburn. My sunburn is actually peeling already, but whatever. I got a shower. My hair is still a little wet. I blow dried it as much as I could. And I did most of my makeup already. Here's the outfit. Just some shorts and a crop top because I haven't worn this one since like last summer or whatever because I got it in Florida. But I'm gonna finish getting ready and then I'll update you guys what's going on.
Okay, I am fully ready and we're heading out right now, so I'll see you in the car.
Hey, what's up, Paige? So fireworks are over now, and I'm waiting for my parents to come get me because I was hanging out with a few friends. I didn't get much video footage, but yeah.
So we're leaving right now.
We're gonna find something to do. Hey, you know we could go to Simple,
Okay, well,
don't I?
Okay, so now I'm home,
I got lost in the van.
and it was great.
Boy, don't run me over.
He's gonna run me over. And
Don't know where it goes. You're a special kind of kid. That sounded nice.
ew.
That's me changing
welcome.
my gears.
I know, I used to have.
Oh my god, you're about to run me over,
I know
bro.
what I'm doing.
No, you do not.
You not.
Not at all.
I rode bikes my whole life.
I rode bikes my whole life. Shut
I
up.
should not be poisoning myself every time it happens.
Got a sucker. We're going to Taco Bell still. Okay, so I'm actually back now. I'm gonna be heading to bed in a few minutes. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Have a thing to go to in the morning. Going swimming and stuff. Then fireworks. It's 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Eating a sucker. I already ate all the Taco Bell in the car. Because I like food. So I'm gonna go get in my PJs, take my makeup off, getting in the shower in the morning, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification button to become a member of my family. And I love you guys. Bye. Blah, 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 blah. Bye.